Hey YouTubers, Hankster here, and I have another package here from Mercari, and ordered this just a few days ago, so I was quite surprised that it arrived here quickly, especially because it came all the way from Florida. So let's open up and see what I got. Hey. Ooh, look, a sorter. Hankster's got a sorter. It's a Funko sorter. Like most of my orders have been coming in sorters, which is pretty good. I like that. So, and here she is, DC Superheroes Death. She's a PX Previews exclusive. Death, of course, is from the form. I don't think it's really a label. I think the Vertigo line has merged with the rest of DC, as I've heard. But she, of course, is supposed to be the sister of Sandman, and she, of course, is the embodiment of death in that particular universe, as opposed to like Lady Death and all, or the female death character from Marvel Comics. But she's such a cutie. She's like a little goth girl. Well, teenager, but you know, they make her real cuter here. Well, she's kind of cute in the comics too. Here's the side. It looks like what is that? An umbrella or something? Here's what she looks like in the comics. She got famous in the 1990s, during that time period. There. And so I will scan her and put her Funko app value price on the screen. But once again, this is DC's Death, or DC Vertigo Death. And once again, she's also a PX Previews exclusive. So once again, Mercari kind of will pull through, and I'm still waiting for my Pop in a Box order for the month. They said they sent it out, but I'm guessing maybe it's going to be another long distance delivery deal. So we'll stay tuned for more Funko Pops, Death, and whatnot here on the Multiverse. See ya.